Welcome back to Team Rocket Garage. I have been working very hard while I have been waiting very long for these parts to show up. Now, firstly, not good at anything, but hit the subscribe button. Now, I ordered a distributor. Fuel injectors were not firing, I was correct, but new distributor didn't change that. The problem is that the fuel injectors weren't firing. It would fire on one fuel injector and that's it. So we had to take the intake manifold off, get to the fuel injectors. I'll show you here. We've got the fuel injectors, this whole top of the intake off, all this, that, and the other to get to these fuel injectors down here. 3 of them tested bad. Remember I told you that I had replaced one of these fuel injectors? That's the only one that tested good, this one. Well, it tested anything. The other ones didn't even respond on the multimeter. You generally will check the resistance of a fuel injector. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pop these fuel injectors out as easy as we can. We're gonna pop these new ones in and see how they do. I should, you know, I'll show you what I mean. Take the multimeter here. We're going to take these 2 prongs and we want to test the resistance across the fuel injector. Here, nothing. Doesn't even show anything. So what we're measuring here is resistance. So if you touch these 2 together, it has 0 resistance. So we can get one of these new fuel injectors and I'll show you the difference. So we've got one of our new fuel injectors here, and pardon me, this is extremely difficult to do by hand here, but see, there's our resistance, 11 ohms on that. So that means this fuel injector's good, that one's bad. This one should be good because it's new. So let's go ahead and start popping these fuel injectors out. Hopefully, we're going to see the Sentra run at the end of this video. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to have this car back. So with this fuel injector here, you can turn it, but like pulling it out is not super easy. So I just took one of these pliers and I rotate it. And I put the edge of the plier in there. And then you just put a screwdriver under the edge and pop it out. Just like that. We've got our fuel injectors out here. I dropped one of them, I think, somewhere, but all of them are out. So we've got our new ones to start popping in here. So in order to avoid tearing any seals, I'm going to grab some WD-40 and just allow that to, and then I'll feel the inside of the seal locations as well. Actually, got some deep creep right here. That'll do just fine. Cool. So we can take our injectors here. Fuel injector and fuel injector. So we can start putting these guys on and they will pull the fuel injector down. We did it. We did it. Fuel injectors are in. They're in. My hands are torn up. My nose is full of gas, vapor. Look at that. We got new fuel injectors all the way across. We got our old ones over here. I'm not necessarily in a need to be totally destructive with those, although I'd love to throw them. I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure everything's done here. I think I'm just turning the key. I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a second here. Make sure we're looking around. Plugs, nothing touching stuff that gets hot. This screw we can set aside so we have it if we need it. Oh, I guess that's important. There we go. Just looking for anything disconnected or loose. Oh, that's important also. Look at that. There we go. Mass airflow sensor. That needs to be plugged in. Idle air control valve, intake temperature sensor, coolant temperature sensor, throttle position sensor. These guys are hooked up. The cruise control's hooked up. Holy shit, guys. I'm pretty sure it's time. So just to give you a recap, the Sentra sat for 3 years. It got backed into and I couldn't find parts, so I had to park it. I didn't want to drive it being all banged up. It wasn't fair to the car. Too much pride. So we parked it. Eventually we found parts. You can see the hood over there that actually goes to a V13, so that'll go on this car at some point. But a couple years later, I hadn't gotten to it, and we we pulled it out, but it was only running on like 2 cylinders. So it was really, really rough. I didn't know why. I thought it was just out of gas. So I was like, perfect, we'll leave it out of gas, no problem. Now we go to start it and nothing happens. We've got spark, we've got fuel pressure, but we don't have the injectors firing. So we pull the injectors, test them, and there's nothing. The injectors test badly, except for one, which is one that I pulled from the junkyard years ago. Now, here we are, this car at 177,000 miles, over 5 years of my ownership. Actually, oh my gosh, over 6 years. 6 years of having a 1994 Nissan Sentra. Oh my gosh, and it's a coupe. It's so cool. Okay, battery cable. And all right, you know what, just for the sake of being not an idiot, I'm gonna bring the hose over here. There's a lot of weeds, so I'm excited, I'm scared. Hold on. All right, guys, got a hose over here just in case. Oh man. All right, okay, little Sentra. Oh boy, fuel pump. Oh my gosh. Let's oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Baby Sentra. Oh, she's such a good fucking car. Who'd have known? It's not even her fault those fuel injectors went bad. Maybe those are cheap eBay ones, unlike these cheap eBay ones. Who knows? All right, oh, come on, my little Sentra. All right, she's idling. All right, well, let's turn her off. This is, oh, I bet she would move. Let's see if she'll move. All right, well, she's got her gears and stuff. Can't believe it. No, I can't believe it. You know what? Sentra's so f***ing good. Oh, man. Dude, I can't believe it. We're going to be up in the canyon in this thing in no time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments below. If you like anything you see in the background, let me know, because these all, they're something. So, man, I'm so effing excited. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy you're here. So happy the Sentra's here. Oh man. This is gonna carry me for my whole day. Oh man. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much. You're great. Subscribe, like. I got a new car.
Well, new to you.
I know. It's a Nissan Sentra XE 1.6 liters.
Stop the air conditioning. So this is my daily driver town car, been replaced by the Sentra. No! No! He's kicking my ass so hard! No! Oh, so good. Hey, thank you. Well, that's on video.